What's up, YouTube? So guess what, my Rocket Bunny V3 kit just came. It just got here about 30 minutes ago. I'm waiting for a friend to come over, that way he can record me unbox it for you guys. I'm gonna show you the box real quick. This is a huge box. It's at least, I think, maybe 7 foot long, and I would say about 3 feet tall, but this thing is huge. In this kit, it came with the entire kit. So front bumper, front splitter, front fender flares, side skirts, rear flares, the rear diffuser, and the 2 wings also. So we're gonna do a live, well, not a live, we're gonna give you an unboxing of this, and I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion about the kit, if I like it, if I don't like it, if I think you should pick one up, if I don't think you should pick one up. As you guys know, right now I have the V2 Rocket Bunny kit on my FRS. It's not my favorite Rocket Bunny kit when I got the car, but it came with it. I had to do some modifying to fix it up because whoever did it at first really didn't take care of it and really didn't know what they were doing. They just wanted the kit on there, so they just slapped it on there and did a really bad job. I went ahead and fixed it up a little bit, but I love the look of this kit a lot more, and it's gonna look a lot better with the color choice that I want for that car, because you know the car is gonna get painted, and in the future it's just gonna make it look so much better. So when my friend gets here, we will start the unboxing of the V3 Rocket Bunny FRS. Alright, so Austin's here. We're gonna start the unboxing of this V3 Rocket Bunny kit.
Let's take a look at this.
First up is side skirts. I don't know if there's anything in there. Should I take it out of the plastic?
Try it, yeah, go for it.
So I take it that's what those are. Those back in here. And they come with a grill already?
Those are some nice side skirts right there.
So I'm just looking for any big like mistakes or problems with the kit so far. Everything looks good. I mean, quality could have been a little better on the inside of here, but as for just a side skirt, it looks nice though. Let's go ahead and wrap this back up. We'll pause it and turn on. Next up, we have front splitter.
So we got front splitter.
On the back side. There's a big front splitters for it. Next up is, this is the duck wing for the trunk, the first wing. Like I said, this kit did come with 2 wings. Here is the duck wing for the back.
Yeah.
Which, I'm not gonna lie, looks really sick. I know he's a big fan of these, and my other buddy Johnny, which you guys have seen before, is a big fan of these also. Next up, we'll unbox this small one. I think these may be just canards.
pieces of it.
So this kit is a total of, I want to 17 pieces maybe? And more maybe now because of wings. So yep, I was right. In fact, these are the canards for the back bumper and the front bumper, I believe.
So apparently these are the backs. Let's see if these.
I think those are the backs. These might be the fronts.
Well, these might be the backs. Those might be
They
the
just
fronts.
shipped us a lot of these though. There's a lot in here. So we'll figure these out when the time comes. Those will probably be the last thing to go on the car maybe. Let's go Rocket Bunny diffuser. So as you know from the Rocket Bunny, from the stock, the Rocket Bunny diffuser sticks out from the bumper a good 1 to 2 inches. Kind of give it that more aggressive look, more aggressive rear end. But as you know, if you do run this rear diffuser, you will have to change up your brake light, your backup light setup. So like when you put your car in reverse, it usually has a red and white light in the back. With this kit, you would have to get a smaller light to fit in this little small hole I'm going to show you in a second. Or you can get reverse lights on your tail lights. Either or, you're going to need something because you won't have a reverse light setup. So like you see this lip right here, this is going to stick out from the car for a good distance. But if you can see this hole, I'm going to bring it closer. You see that hole right there, that's where your reverse light would be. I'm going to set that to the side. You guys aren't surprised, the big GT wing. Look at this thing. Oh my god.
Same thing as that, I think. Yeah.
Yes, so these are your swan necks for the big GT wing, which we're not going to unbox because there is a lot of screws and bolts in there and nuts and everything. So this is your hardware for it. We're not going to unbox it, but we are going to show you the big wing. I'm happy they actually give you, I didn't know they were going to give me bolts and nuts for that, so I'm happy they actually did. This is a wing. I don't care what any of you guys say, what's on your car, but this is a huge wing. Look at this thing. It's like the size of a freaking shark. So yeah, you will have the swan neck mounts here on the top, and then you have your bracing on the back, on the bottom part, which they came with also, which I think were over there. So I'll go ahead and put this to the side. Alright, next up, looks like front fenders.
See that? That's a good size on those.
So these, I believe, are 65 millimeters in the front and 90 in the back. So as you know, I will have to run a bigger and wider tire or wheel. There are some imperfections, but that's okay because it is going to get sanded, it is going to get fixed. It's going to need work, all kits need work. But Jesus Christ, look, I mean, look how thick that is. That is wide. Came with the grill part on the side pieces as well. Like I said, this could have been cleaned up a little bit better. It's not the best quality ever, but I mean, you can show them. It looks sick.
You got the little grill or mesh, I think that's what it's called.
Right.
Good size.
Some kids don't come with it, so.
Yeah. So there's that.
We'll show them that side too. It's the gas cap side.
Good decent sized hole for the gas cap. Now the best part, ladies and gentlemen. It's just like stop recording.